Hey, so I'm just going to show you what's in the September edition of this month's Glossybox, which has the theme of golden hour. And yes, I've already been in it because I have no self-control. But here we go. We have the Garnier cooling eye patches, which I cannot wait to try. We have the Rituals of Mare Loving Body Cream. We have a facial oil by the brand Balance Me. We have this gorgeous eyeshadow from the brand Teeez, which looks very much like Mary Luminized by the Balm. We have a banana powder from Bella Pierre, which I cannot wait to try. We have the Brow Atelier Brow Soap. Some samples of the Glow Wish Tinted Moisturiser from Huda Beauty. And then last but not least, my favourite thing is this bottle of non-alcoholic gin, which I cannot wait to try. Yum.